The weather has been crazy these days, unpredictable. I mean, we've had more power outages than ever, and one lasted 7 hours, and I felt totally helpless. We knew we had to do something, so we looked into a whole house generator, but that cost so much money, and we needed a contractor and a permit to put one in. Way too much of a hassle. But Power Joe, it just makes so much more sense. We already have the propane tanks for the barbecue, and it's just so much more affordable than getting a whole house generator. The last storm we had, the lights were on, the refrigerator was working, and the air conditioning was running, and it was great.
I used to have a gas generator. The thing was a beast to start. It smelled terrible, and it seems like gas is getting harder and harder to find in the storm. The power's out, the pumps don't work, and even when they do, the lines are just way too long. I needed to do something because a gas generator was just not worth the hassle anymore. I did some research and I found Power Joe and thought, it runs on propane? I've got propane tanks in my garage for my barbecue, so it really was a no-brainer. Now I know I have power where and when I need it.
My mom has medical equipment that requires power, and she lives by herself. I was always worried about what could happen in a power outage. But then we found Power Joe, and it was like the answer to all of our problems. I mean, it's not as bulky, it doesn't have a pull start.
It's so easy. Just one button and I have power.
It's so great, and such a lifesaver for us. I feel like I don't have to worry about her during storms anymore, and that peace of mind, it's so worth it.